We've covered our major frustrations with the Mate 10 Lite in the other sections of this review, where appropriate, but here are a few smaller things that didn't quite sit right with us. The Mate 10 Lite doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you're stuck with 2.4 GHz. It's not the only mid-range handset to come with this limitation, but it is something you will definitely need to keep in mind if you live in an apartment building where there are many networks on the 2.4 GHz band. In that case, interference is a common issue, which means speeds and performance will suffer. Since you're at most using Wi-Fi 802.11n anyhow, the theoretical maximum top speed you can accomplish isn't that high to begin with. To give you an idea of what to expect, in such an apartment building with around a dozen or so Wi-Fi networks visible at the same time, a speed test in the same room with the router may result in only 10-15 Mbps for both downloads and uploads at peak times, generally in the evening. At other points we did manage to hit 40 Mbps down and 35 Mbps up. That's a far cry from anything that could be achieved with 802.11n on 5 GHz, not to mention 802.11 acres, but it's probably still fine for most activities. Note that when walls come between the router and the phone, speeds may be reduced even further. Huawei Mate 10 Lite Long-Term Review. Google's Smart Lock lets you choose to keep your device unlocked at certain locations, such as your home, but the Mate 10 Lite simply doesn't have this feature at all. Huawei has a smart unlock of its own, but this only works when you're connected to specific Bluetooth devices.